Lower group signs. Lower group signs are dropped contractions that represent parts of words. Dropped indicates that they are in the lower portion of the Braille cell. For example, the letter B is represented by dots 1, 2, and the word B is represented by dots 2, 3. There are two different sets of lower group sign contractions. One set can only be used in the middle of the words, and the other set can only be used at the beginning of the words. The group signs that can only be used in the middle of words are the EA contraction that can be found in a word like please, the double B contraction that can be found in a word like bubble, the double C contraction that can be found in a word like access, the double F contraction that can be found in a word like fluffy, and the double G contraction that can be found in a word like giggle. These contractions cannot be used at the beginning or ends of words, like the EA contraction being used for the word eat, the double B contraction to be used in the word web, the double F contraction to be used in the word staff, or like the double G contraction to be used in the word egg. If a letter is added to make the contraction be in the middle of a word, such as the word eggs, then you can use this contraction. The lower group signs that can be used at the beginning of words are the BE contraction, like in the word behave, the CON contraction, as in the word convoy, the DIS contraction, as in the word disable, the EN contraction, as in the word enjoy, and the IN contraction, as in the word index. Please note that the EN and the IN contractions can also be found in the middle and at the ends of words, such as in continent, pen, or bin. If a word contains a stronger contraction, those contractions have to be acknowledged first. For example, although CON is at the beginning of the word cone, the .50 contraction for the word one would take precedence. In the word dishing, although it has the DIS at the beginning of the word, the SH sign would have precedence over the DIS contraction. The following slides are the dot configurations for the lower group signs. The EA contraction is represented by dot 2. The double B contraction is represented by the dot 2, 3. The double C contraction is dots 2, 5. The double F contraction is dots 2, 3, 5. The double G contraction is dots 2, 3, 5, 6. The BE contraction is dots 2, 3. The CON contractions, it's dots 2, 5. The DIS contraction is dots 2, 5, 6. The IN contraction is dots 3, 5. And the EN contraction is dots 2, 6.